So the unit 1 is overview of Indian society. Unit 1 जो है वो overview of Indian society means understanding the multicultural diversity of Indian society through its demographic composition. Indian society is a pluralistic in nature. Okay, pluralistic means society where the people with different culture background keep their own traditional. So pluralism refer to the existence with a nation and society of a group distinctive in ethnic origin, then cultural pattern, language, religion. The Indian culture follow the concept of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, means the world is one family. Okay, इस concept का meaning क्या है? The world is one family. So resulting in a great cultural heritage. To understand the multicultural diversity of Indian society, its demographic demographic composition and population distribution according to the religion, caste, and gender. Appreciate the concept of linguistic diversity in relation to the Indian situation. And next point is understand regional variation according to rural, urban, and tribal characteristic. Understand the concept of diversity as a difference. So there are different features of Indian society. Means class है और caste. Different features कौन से होंगे Indian society के? Class है और caste. Means class means marriage outside class is allowed without being through outside of society. Caste is it is impossible for a person to marry outside the caste without the social annoyance. Then in class there is a class consciousness among a member of the class, and there is a class consciousness among member of the class. तो जो यूनिट 1 है ओवरव्यू ऑफ इंडियन सोसाइटी, उसमें 9 टॉपिक्स रहेंगे आप लोगों को. फर्स्ट इज द इंट्रोडक्शन. ओके, इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ इंडियन सोसाइटी, ओवरव्यू ऑफ इंडियन सोसाइटी. ओके, next is a culture, multiculturalism and India. Third topic is a demographic composition of India. Demographic composition means refer to the proportion or a number of people who can be identified according to the certain characteristics. Okay, proportion or a number of people who can identify according to certain characteristics. The demographic composition provide a mathematical description of the people living in the specific area. Okay, hope you understand what is demographic composition. डेमोग्राफिक कंपोजिशन जो है वो प्रोवाइड क्या करे, मैथमेटिकल डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द पीपल लिविंग इन अ स्पेसिफिक एरिया इज अ डेमोग्राफिक कंपोजिशन. देन तो हमको यहाँ पे स्टडी करनी है डेमोग्राफिक कंपोजिशन ऑफ इंडिया. नेक्स्ट फोर्थ पॉइंट इन यूनिट 1, इंडिया एज ए multilingual society. Then language diversity or a linguistic diversity means India is a multilingual society. यहाँ पे एक लैंग्वेज के लोग होते हैं इंडिया में, कोई एक लैंग्वेज के पीपल्स है, डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस है ना इंडिया में. सो लैंग्वेज डाइवर्सिटी इज अ ब्रॉड टर्म यूज्ड टू डिस्क्राइब द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन द डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस एंड द वे दैट पीपल कम्युनिकेट विथ ईच अदर. दिस मैकेनिज्म हैज बीन instrumental in allowing humans to communicate with each other and form a complex cultural and civilization. Okay, so India में जो multiculturalism है वो हमको इसमें पढ़ना है, Indian society and multi-religious society. Okay, समझ में आया? मैं यूनिट 1 ही एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ अभी तक. Okay, next point is 1.6, that is caste system in Indian society. So caste system पढ़ना है, different caste होते. Then 1.7 is a gender. Then regional variation. Regional variation generally refer to the time when a radio station or a television station simultaneously broadcast differences programs continuity, or advertisement to different part of its coverage area. So regional variation of a rural urban population and their characteristics. And next is a regional variation of tribes. तो ये पॉइंट्स जो है 1.9 तक है, 9 पॉइंट्स है, वो यूनिट 1 में रहेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज अ
ओके मैम.
कंसेप्ट ऑफ डिस्पैरिटी. क्वेश्चन यूनिट 1 में हमको 9 टॉपिक्स पढ़ने, ओवरव्यू ऑफ इंडिया, इंडियन सोसाइटी में. देन यूनिट 2 इज अ कंसेप्ट ऑफ डिस्पैरिटी. Disparity means there are two topic, means concept of disparity 1 and concept of disparity 2. ओके, एक ही टॉपिक है बट यहाँ पे उसमें जो टॉपिक रहेंगे वो डिफरेंट रहेंगे, डिस्पैरिटी 1 में और डिस्पैरिटी 2 में. ओके, बस इतना ही डिफरेंस है, टॉपिक डिफरेंट है. मीन्स concept of disparity 1, firstly I'm explaining you what is disparity. Disparity is the condition of being unequal, and a disparity is a noticeable differences. Okay, disparity usually refer to a difference that is unfair. Economic disparity exists among ethnic groups. There is a disparity between what man and woman earn in the same job. So this is disparity. Okay, disparity is the condition of being unequal. So unit 2 is understand the concept of disparity. हमको इसमें क्या क्या पढ़ना है? Understand the concept of disparity as arising out of stratification in equal and stratification and inequality. Then explore the disparity arising out of gender with special reference to violence against women, female foeticides. Violence against women affected women everywhere, you know, means violence against women affected women everywhere. It impact women health, hamper in their ability to participate fully in society, then affected their enjoyment of sexual and reproductive health and right, and is a source of tremendous physical and physiological suffering for both women and their families. Okay, so यूनिट 2 में हमको 9 टॉपिक्स है. मीन्स इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ कंसेप्ट ऑफ डिस्पैरिटी, देन जेंडर डिस्पैरिटी है, फीमेल फोर्टिसाइड मीन्स डिक्लाइनिंग सेक्स रेशियो. Female foeticide means declining sex ratio, causes of female foeticides, causes of violence against women, then meaning of violence against women, type of violence against women, then what can you do to end violence against women. Okay, or last is a portrayal of women in media, means as an object to increase the appeal of media as a product to determine. Portrayal means a depiction of someone or something in a work of art or a literature. Okay, portrayal मतलब क्या होता है? Depiction of someone. So portrayal of women in media. So 9 topics are included in the unit 2, concept of disparity 1. Now the next unit is unit 3, disparity 2nd. Disparity 2nd में क्या होगा? Examine inequalities manifested due to the caste system and intergroup conflict arising therefore. So understand intergroup conflict arising out of communalism, examine the causes and effect of conflict arising out of regionalism and linguistic differences. So इसमें भी 10 topics है आपको. Means what is disability? Disability क्या होता है? Anyone knows what is disability? Yes. Are you listening my voice now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. मतलब आंसर नहीं आ रहा है, आवाज जा रही है. So disability क्या होता है? A physical or a mental condition that limits a person movement, senses or activities. Okay. I think time is up. So next lecture में explain करती हूँ मैं unit 2. Okay या complete कर दूँ?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay मैम. आप लोग बोलेंगे तो मैं actually next lecture होगा ना आपका, इसलिए. Otherwise I have no issue. Explain कर सकती हूँ मैं. So we should stop here. Thank you.